Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see that how can we install YouTube app onto our PCs. So in Windows PC there is an option through which you can install a YouTube app, and instead of going to the browser to view the videos or use YouTube, you can directly use the app for all of the purposes. An app is always convenient because it is available directly onto your PC. You don't have to go to the browser. You can just do anything that you want in your app itself, and your browser history won't be recorded. So how are we going to follow these steps? That's exactly what we're going to see in this video. So first of all, if you go to Microsoft Store, so YouTube is an app, and that should be available in Microsoft Store, right? Because any of the apps that we want to basically install into our Windows PC, what we generally do, we go to Microsoft Store and install that particular app. So for that YouTube app also, let us just see if we can do the same thing. So here I am in my Microsoft Store. Let me just type in YouTube and press enter. So if I do this, then you can see that I'm not getting the YouTube app. I'm getting Netflix, I'm getting Prime Video, I'm getting Dolby Access, I'm getting lots of other apps, but I'm not getting the YouTube app. So this is pretty strange. Okay, so then how are we going to install the YouTube app? Well, there is a simple trick actually available. So if you go to Google Chrome, and this thing that you need to understand, that is very important, is this is only going to work in Google Chrome. So open up Google Chrome, go to youtube.com, and you have to wait until and unless it is fully loaded. If it is not fully loaded, it won't work, this trick won't work. But if it is fully loaded, then this trick will definitely work. So now my YouTube is fully loaded. Here go to these three dots that are for the Chrome. These are not for the YouTube website, these are for the Chrome. So just click on these three dots, and here you will find an option of install YouTube. If you go to any other app, let's say we can open Pexels. So Pexels is also a video website. It gives us copyright free videos. So if we open up this Pexels, okay, it's going to take a few seconds to open. Let's just wait till it is fully loaded. If you just click on these three dots, then I'm not getting any option to install this Pexels. So this is only happening in case of YouTube. Just go here, click on install YouTube. It asks you to install the app, click on install. Then you will see that your YouTube app has been installed here. If I just close this, the YouTube app has been closed, the browser is closed. Here is the YouTube app that's available to you. So if you open it up, this is the YouTube app that's opened. Here you can see the icon is also for YouTube, and that's where you can use your YouTube. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.